Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Apex command button, Apex page block section, Apex page block section item, Apex output label. Apex command button. It is a button that is rendered as an HTML input element with the type attribute set to submit, reset or image depending on the Apex command button tag's specified values. The button executes an action defined by a controller and then either refreshes the current page or navigates to current page based on page reference variable that is returned by the action. Attribute title, it is a string value. The text to display as a tooltip value, it is object value. The text displayed on the command button has its label on click. It is a string value. The JavaScript invoke if the on-click event occurs, that is, if the user clicks anywhere in the page block buttons component, Apex page block section. An Apex page block section component consists of one or more columns, each of which spans two cells, one of a field's label and one of its value. Attribute title, it is a string value. The text to display as a tooltip show header, it is a boolean value. Default is true. It specifies whether the page block section title is displayed. If set to true, the header is displayed. Collapsible, it is boolean value. Default is true. It specifies whether the page block section can be expanded and collapsed by a user. If true, a user can expand and collapse the section. Apex page block section item, single piece of data in Apex page block section that takes up one column in one row. An Apex page block section item component can include up to two child components. If no content is specified, the column is rendered as an empty space. If one child component is specified, the content spans both cells of the column. Attribute rendered. It is a boolean value. Default is true. It specifies whether the component is rendered on the page. Help text. It is a string value. It is displayed next to the field as a hover based tooltip. Apex output label. A label for an input or output field. Use this component to provide a label for a controller method that does not correspond to a field on a Salesforce object. Attribute title, it is a string value. Text to display as a tooltip value, it is object value. The text displayed as label rendered, it is boolean value. Default is true. It specifies whether the component is rendered on the page. For example, create a Visualforce page by the name VF page 8 and use Apex command button, Apex page block section, Apex page block section item, Apex output label tags with their attributes. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, we need to open developer console. Here I had already opened. Just I am going to open VF page 8 what already I had created. In this example we are going to see Apex command button, Apex page block section, Apex page block section item, Apex output label. Apex page, this is the basic tag or this is the primary tag. Apex form, Apex section header, Apex page block buttons. Up to this we had seen in the last session. We are going to see here Apex command button, value save, action save. Apex page block section, title is basic info, collapsible, true. Apex page block section item, Apex page block section item, Apex output label, Apex output label, value is demo. Corresponding closing tags is also there for this Apex output label. This is the closing tag. Clicking on save button, just click on preview, and this is Apex command button. This is page block section item, output label. Thank you.